This is what happens when you snap your fingers next to regular dice. And this is what happens when you snap your fingers next to Boogie Dice. Boogie Dice are the world's first sound-activated, motorized gaming dice. Boogie Dice can be used with any of your favorite games, adding a new element of fun and excitement. The dice are activated by the sound of a clap, click, bang, or by throwing them like standard dice. The dice are programmed to come to a stop after a few seconds. Inside each die, there's a microphone, a vibration motor, a tilt sensor, 3 LEDs, and a rechargeable battery.
Hi, my name is Nimrod and I'm the creator of Press It.
And I'm Sarshai, creator of the games The Agents and King Down. I was inspired by the cool features of Boogie Dice to create a fast-paced strategic card game that utilizes the dice to its very best effect.
We're proud to present Bots Battleground, the first game that we've designed around Boogie Dice.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In Bots Battleground, the dice determine which bots go to battle. It acts as a timer, and we've designed the charging station to act as the battleground arena. Boogie Dice are programmable and come with their own app, so you can easily switch between different programs and games. Bots Battleground is our first game. This is an exciting new platform for games, so play along and share your ideas of what's next for Boogie Dice.
Ready?
Go!